Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to send Telegram messages automatically for new Instamojo payments. Guys, Instamojo is a popular payment gateway that enables businesses and individuals to receive payments for their products. And Telegram is a messaging app. So by combining the power of Instamojo and convenience of Telegram, you can receive instant notifications whenever you receive a payment in Instamojo so that you can take a prompt action. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of setting up an automation between Instamojo and Telegram and creating a new message to be delivered whenever you receive a payment. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding, just by a few clicks. So let's begin. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from this given link, and after that sign in and select Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button to set up your workflow. Here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as Instamojo to Telegram automation. Okay. And after giving such names, you just have to click on this create button and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So these are the basic building blocks of our automation. So trigger starts the workflow and the action is the automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So in our use case, getting a payment of any product via Instamojo is going to trigger the workflow, and the action would be to send a message about that payment on Telegram. So when you click here on this trigger field, it will ask to choose the trigger application. So here we are going to choose Instamojo. Here it is selected. Then you have to choose the trigger event as new sale. Then it will give you this webhook URL. With the help of this, we are going to create a connection with Instamojo. And after that, we are going to capture the response of that connection. So you need to follow these steps written here to create the connection. Let me show you directly. First of all, you have to open your Instamojo account. And there you have to open your product section. Let me show you the products. These are the products. I have product pages I have created for selling them. Why Instamojo? So this is a smartwatch I am selling. So click on the product. Alright, and from the product page, click on advanced option. Under advanced, when you scroll down a bit more, you will find the webhook URL field here like this. So you will find a blank field like this. Okay. So here you have to paste this webhook URL that you have created. Okay. So you just have to click on copy. And you have to paste this URL here in this webhook URL field like this. Then click on save and you can see it is updated successfully and your connection is created. Okay. After that, guys, you have to do a test submission. You can see as we have copied the webhook URL here, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now we have to manually make a payment by ourselves. Okay, just for setting up this automation, you have to do it only once. You have to make a demo payment by yourself from that same product page, and the details of that payment will be captured here in the response section. So to do a payment, you just have to open your product page like this. Okay, and from here click on buy now button, and from here you have to fill in the details of any demo customer or dummy customer like this. Then you have to provide the delivery address, then click on review and pay, and from here click on make payment, and from here you can do a payment by entering your UPI ID, and we have many more options here. From here you choose any option and completes the payment. And after you complete the payment data will be captured in the response section. So Instamojo do not provide the test payment mode, so you have to do an actual payment here. So I have already captured a actual payment in a different workflow, you can see, and this is how the payments data is going to look like in the response section. In this response section, you can see we got the payment details like this. We got the currency details, the buyer's phone number, the buyer's name, the buyer's email address, and the amount the buyer have paid. This is how you are going to capture the payments data. Now guys, after getting this payments data, we want to send a message on Telegram about this payment. So from this action step, you have to choose Telegram bot option, Telegram bot. Okay, then you have to select the action event as send a text message or a reply. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection option, and here it will ask for the token of a Telegram bot. So to get the token, to get the access token, you have to go to the Telegram application, and there you have to create a new bot. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. So guys, this is my Telegram application, and this is a group in which me and my team is present, and we are discussing things here. And I want that whenever I receive a payment via Instamojo, a message should be received here in this group. Okay, for that to happen guys, you have to search for bot father here in this search bar. In the search bar, type bot father, and this blue ticked bot father icon will appear. You have to click on it, and here you have to start chatting. You have to message the bot father as slash, put a forward slash, okay, then type new bot. Okay, you can see new bot, and then it will ask, all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for a bot. So you have to provide a name to your bot, as you can give any name. So I am giving the name here as Insta Payment or Instamojo bot, whatever you want to provide. Okay, this is the bot's name, Instamojo Pay. And now it is asking to choose a username for a bot. So you can choose a username as Insta underscore pay underscore mojo underscore bot. So you can give any suitable unique name to create a bot like this. You can see it is showing done. Congratulations on your new bot. You can find it at this link, and here you can see use the access token. Here is the access token that we wanted. Okay, so you can just copy this token like this, and then you have to paste this token here in this field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Telegram or the bot that you have created. Alright, so we are now connected, and here it started asking for the chat ID of the group in which you are conversing with your team. So this is my group named as new group 123. So guys, before adding the chat ID in the workflow, you have to add the bot that you have created inside this group. Okay, and you have to add the bot as an admin of the group, because that bot is going to deliver your messages. Okay, so you can easily do that with the help of your smartphone. I cannot show you that on your screen, but I know you can do that. Let me add the bot here. Alright, so after adding the bot here in the group, you can open the group, and on the top search bar you can see the link, and after this hashtag you will find a dash and a string of numbers. This is actually the chat ID. You just have to copy this chat ID and paste it here in this chat ID field like this. You can see in the example how you can find the ID, right? Then it will ask for the message that you want to send to your team. So you can type a standard message here. Let me type it. So I have typed this message. You can read, hey there, we have received a new payment via Instamojo payment page. The details are as follows: buyer's name, buyer's phone number, buyer's email, and the amount received. So guys, I'm going to map all these things from the previous step. Okay, so here we have received the test data. Now we can map this data here. You just have to click here in front of the name field, and here you can see the previous step is appearing in the drop down, and when you click on it you can see the data right here. So let me just click on the name and it will be mapped here. Similarly, map the phone number, the email address, and the amount. So guys, when you map the data like this, in real time, whenever you are going to receive any payment, the labels here are going to be updated and new message with new data will be delivered in the message automatically. Okay. Now guys, you can check your connection with Telegram by clicking on save and send test request button. And if you are sending any link, you can enable the link previews, and you can enable the notifications as well. I am enabling the notifications. Okay. Now let's click on save and send test request button and a new message will be here in the group. Let us see. Not this one. Here is the workflow. Click on save and send test request button. Okay, this is the response we have received, and we have received a new message, you can see, and the message is this: hey there, we have received a new payment via Instamojo page. The details are as follows. Dummy customer is the name. This is the details. So this is the same details I have mapped here, you can see, and it received here in this message like this, and this is the same message. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work silently in the background. Whenever you are going to receive a payment via Instamojo, you will receive these messages on your Telegram channel automatically. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.